Hey guys, it's Bar. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my bathroom for one more time. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my hair care routine, and also I will show you the products that I like to use and make my hair very silky and smooth and make them grow very quick. And also I'm gonna share with you a few tips on how I take care of my hair, so definitely stay till the end. I want to make clear two more things before I start with the video. First of all, I don't have the magic pill. So that means that even if you buy this product, doesn't mean that the next day you will have very long and very healthy hair. It's about consistency, and also it depends on the genetics. Some people have naturally thicker hair and some others have thinner hair. And also one more thing, I'm not professional, not even close. All the things that I will say and share with you are from my experience and what works for me. So yeah, so my hair need a wash right now. We're gonna wash them together. I like to wash my hair twice a week or even once a week sometimes. This has helped my hair a lot not to get oily very often. Only my roots here in the front sometimes get more oily, and that's because I just touch my hair like this all the time, or even when I put them behind my ear, you know, I just touch here, so that's why they get more oily. So before I wash my hair, I always make sure to put this serum. This is a brand new serum. I bought this before and it's one of my favorites. First of all, it's super affordable. It's the L'Oreal Professional Series Expert Prolonger. So very quick, this is enriched with filler A100 and amino acid to provide durability and instant thickness to ends. Ends are fuller and stronger. Guys, this works perfectly. It does what it says. I always use it before I wash my hair, like I'm gonna do now. I put it in the middle and to the ends. My hair feels so smooth already. Okay, so now it says that you leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. I personally like to leave it for at least 20 to 30 minutes. You can make sure that proteins and the good ingredients will work on my hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and then I will come back to wash them. So guys, now that I'm waiting for the serum, I want to share with you the tips that I mentioned earlier. Number one, don't wash your hair very often. Just wash them once or twice a week, like I said already. Your hair won't get oily. And number two, they will be very healthy and stronger. Tip number two, I just try to avoid high temperatures. Try not to blow dry my hair, or at least I would do it once in a week. Of course, if I need to go somewhere and I want to make my hair, I will do it. I'm just talking about on a daily basis. I just try to avoid as much as possible. Also, I don't use hair curlers or straighteners or anything similar. I just try to make my hair different hairstyles that don't need hair tools. I know that sometimes it's inevitable and we need to use the hair tools, and I will also do it myself. I just talk about the day that you are home and you can avoid it. Also guys, I've created a video with hairstyles. If you're interested in something like this to get some inspo for your hair, I will have it in the description box in case you want to check it out. And tip number three, guys, try not to touch your hair very often. I know that might sound stupid, but I personally notice that every time I touch my hair, especially here in the front, my roots get more oily than the rest of the hair. So guys, I'm back 30 minutes later. My hair still look like this. Now I'm about to wash them. So very quickly, I'm gonna show you the shampoo and the mask I will use. So for shampoo, I use this one right here. Is the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo. So guys, as you can tell, I love this shampoo. I've used the smaller version of this and I was so obsessed with this shampoo. That's why now I bought this huge bottle. It's 2000 milliliters, and also for this amount the price is amazing. It's super affordable. So this shampoo says repairs, strengthens and nourishes all hair types, and it does what it says. This is another product that makes my hair feel very smooth and silk and strong and thick, and they grow really fast. And also it has an amazing smell that you don't get bored of it. And yeah, I don't know what else to say about this shampoo, guys. The texture is amazing. You only need a small amount and it's super foamy. It's one of my favorite brands ever. So, and for the mask, guys, I'm using this right here. It's the same brand like the serum. It says length renewing for long hair. So this mask is also enriched with this filler A100 plus amino acid, these proteins ingredients. After this mask, the hair is sunnier and stronger. It's amazing. Also, it's another very affordable product. I highly recommend it. First, I use the shampoo. I wash my hair normally, and then I use this mask. I leave it to my hair for 3 to 5 minutes or even more if I have time. And then I wash it off. So I will wash my hair and I will see you in a minute. I'm back. So I just washed my hair. Now I look really crazy with this towel. Also guys, one more tip, never wrap the towel to your hair. Always just try to press it in, because if you wrap the towel to your hair, it can lead to very excessive hair breakage and hair loss, and we don't want that. So now for my hair, I like to use this brush. It's super soft, you can feel it, but I hope you can see what I'm saying. It has this thin hair, so it helps to untangle your hair without cause hair breakage. Guys, my hair feels so smooth already. Look how easy I can brush my hair, guys. Like less than 10 minutes and I'm done. Okay, so I just brushed my hair. As you can see guys, there's no hair on the brush, only just a few. I'm sorry if this is disgusting. I just wanted to show you guys that this brush is super soft and amazing, and it doesn't damage your hair. So now I'm gonna blow dry my hair. In different circumstances, I would just let them dry naturally. Oh my god, I can't stop touching my hair. They're so soft. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see already. But today, just because of filming, I want to show you the final results. So I'm gonna blow dry them and I'll be right back. Guys, I don't know if you can see through the camera, but my hair, oh my god, look how thick they are and how smooth they are. I wish you could touch them. I've used this product so many times and I still get so obsessed and excited every time I see the result. So I have one more thing to close with my hair care routine. I use this hair oil. It's the Moroccan oil treatment. It's for all hair types. This is one of the best hair oils I've used in my life. It's a bit pricey, so I would recommend to go for the bigger size. It's worth it so much, guys. You pay once, but it lasts for so long. So very quickly, this is a unique formula rich in antioxidant argan oil that instantly absorbs into hair to immediately enhance manageability, shine and deliver long-term conditioning without leaving residue. So I just like to split my hair in the middle. Sorry guys, my camera stopped. I was showing you the oil that I put on my hand. And I'm gonna add another 2 bumps on this side. So guys, here we have the final result. I highly recommend these products, guys. Of course, I like to try new things, but these products will definitely be on the list with my favorites. So guys, that was it. This is how I take care of my hair. These products are not a joke, so don't sleep on them. So I'm gonna leave this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you come this far, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell on so you don't miss any upload. And also give this video a big thumbs up, and I will hopefully see you in my next video.